All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we about to go in our seafood bag today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious Parmesan shrimp Orzo pasta. Man, it's good. I'm telling you. Pay attention, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients. Back here we have our shrimp. I've already peeled and deveined them. I left the tail on. You can take the tail off. Totally up to you. We have some Orzo pasta here. I have some seafood broth here, freshly squeezed lemon juice, chopped garlic, fresh parsley, black pepper, salt, red chili flakes, some butter, olive oil, shredded Parmesan cheese, and some lemon zest there. That's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're bringing up our water to prepare our Orzo pasta. So as it comes up to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and salt this baby with a little salt. Once it comes to boil, drop your Orzo in there, cook it for 9 to 10 minutes al dente or to your desired firmness. And while we're cooking our Orzo pasta, we're gonna start preparing our shrimp. All right, to get started, we're gonna season our shrimp with our salt, our pepper, and we're gonna give that baby a good mix. All right, so now that they're seasoned, let's head over to our stove and prepare our pan. Now let's heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We wanna get this baby hot. Once that pan is hot enough, we're gonna add our shrimp. You may have to cook these babies in batches, depends on how many you have. And we're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes per side or until they're pink and opaque. All right, guys, so we're gonna start removing our first batch here. We're just gonna add them to a plate, and we're just gonna continue with our remaining shrimp until we've cooked them all right? All right, guys, so we're finishing up on our last batch. We're gonna go ahead and add these to our plate with the rest of our shrimp. All right, so now we're gonna add the remaining of our olive oil. We're gonna add our garlic, our red pepper flakes, and we're gonna get this mixed around for 1 minute till you get that garlic fragrant. After about that 1 minute, we're gonna pour in our chicken broth. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Guys, I think I said chicken broth, I meant seafood broth. But you can also use chicken broth if you want to. All right, once that comes to a boil, we're gonna add our Orzo pasta, our Parmesan cheese, lemon juice, lemon zest, and we're gonna stir in our butter. And we're gonna mix this until it's creamy. All right, once that cheese is melted, we're going back in with our shrimp. And we're gonna let this cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Let everything heat through. So it looks like we are good right here. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna let that sit for just a little bit, let that sauce thicken up, and then we're gonna get it plated up and we're gonna head into quality control. So now, after letting our pasta sit for a few minutes, we're gonna take some of that fresh pasta, we call it green stuff over here, and we're just gonna add it to the top like this, you know, just to make that color pop. And you know, it also makes it look a little pretty. And there you have it, shrimp Orzo pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, man, it's quality control time, man. It's time to get to these groceries, man. Look at that. Whew. Man, I've been trying to get to these groceries ever since we started. Oh, man, let's try that. Man, as soon as that baby hit my mouth, my taste buds started flying. That pasta's so lemony. Taste these shrimp. Oh man. Oh man. And listen, this Orzo has become one of my favorite pastas. I used to think it was rice. I didn't know it was pasta. But man, I love it. Man, this is delicious. You gotta try this. So, until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.